Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into the world of wood burning with a product that's been making waves: torch paste, the best wood burning paste you can get your hands on. Now, if you're like me and love getting creative with wood burning projects, you know how important it is to have the right tools at your disposal. Torch paste is the real deal.
Made right here in the USA, it's a heat-activated, non-toxic paste that's revolutionizing the way we craft and stencil on wood, canvas, denim, and more. What sets torch paste apart from the rest is its patented formula, designed to eliminate bleeding or leaking under stencils. This means you can achieve those fine, intricate designs with ease, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out.
And here's the kicker: a little goes a long way with torch paste.
Each 3-ounce jar is enough for multiple projects, making it a cost-effective option for all your wood-burning needs.
Now, let me walk you through how easy it is to use torch paste. First, you'll want to sand and prep your wooden surface.
Then, simply apply your stencil and use the included squeegee to spread a thin layer of paste.
Once you've removed the excess, it's time to apply heat. Whether you're using a heat gun or another heat source, just make sure it reaches at least 400 degrees Celsius or 700 degrees Fahrenheit. The possibilities with torch paste are truly endless.
From personalized signs and coasters to custom denim jackets and unique gifts, you'll be amazed at what you can create with this versatile product. So, whether you're a seasoned wood-burning enthusiast or just dipping your toes into the craft, torch paste is a must-have addition to your toolkit. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. That's all for today's review, folks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product critiques just like this one. Until next time, happy crafting!